Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix connection error on WhatsApp in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Identify the error. First, open the WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you see message like connection, wait for network or no internet connection, it means WhatsApp can't connect to the internet. Step 2. Check internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. Try opening Safari or YouTube to confirm your internet is working. Step 3. Switch network mode. Turn Wi-Fi off and switch to mobile data. This helps refresh the network connection. Step 4. Enable background data and permissions. First go to the settings, then search for WhatsApp app. Make sure mobile data, background app refresh and notifications are turned on. Step 5. Turn off VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can block WhatsApp from connecting properly. Step 6. Update WhatsApp and iOS. First go to the App Store, then search for WhatsApp, update if available, and also check settings, then general, then software update, then update if available to keep iOS up to date. Step 7. Restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus power button, then select to power off. Open WhatsApp again and wait for few seconds. The connection error should now be fixed, and that's how you fix a WhatsApp connection error on an iPhone quickly and easily. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.